This is a short video to show you how you can block Windows 11 update permanently in Windows 10. That means you can block Windows 11 getting installed on or updated on Windows 10 PC. So how you can do that? You can do that using the services of your Windows 10. For that you have to go to the Run window and search for services. So as you can see here, you will get the services app. Just open it. Now after that, just scroll down and find Windows Update. Just type in W and enter. You will get the list. From there you can find the Windows Update. Double click on Windows Update and you will get the properties, and you can see that now I have stopped the Windows Update here. If your Windows Update is running, you have to click on the stop button, and now you have to go and click on startup type. From the drop down you can see that there are a couple of options. From there just select disable, then choose disable from the startup drop, and then go down and click apply button. That's it. All the updates will be stopped, including the Windows 11 update. If you want to re-enable the Windows update, choose automatic or manual and then click apply. But remember that disabling this service will also prevent your system from getting features and security updates. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.